mattress. So I hear that these things expand when you take them out. So let's see how badly we mess ourselves up. This looks more like a rug than a mattress.
Yeah. Why is it green on the inside? Make sure
we
you
got
don't...
Hollywood mattresses from Los Angeles.
Ooh, ooh.
I have a really bad feeling about this.
Yeah. We've got a broken down bed in here, so it's not falling over. That's so loud. Hobbs. Hobbs. God, you're dumb.
Oh.
Uh-oh, is it expanding?
Yep, so I'm going to roll itself. Not violently, though. That's good.
Well, we haven't cut the plastic yet. It's vacuum sealed still.
Yeah.
We might not want to put it this way.
The seal's been broken somewhere. Alright, so rotating it?
Mm-hmm. This apparently will take 48 hours to inflate. Which is reasonable. Seeing as how it's, you know, not flat. Oh, there it goes.
Oh my goodness.
You're gonna want to get off that real fast.
Nice!
Yeah. It's not fully inflated, but...
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
There's so much excitement in our lives.
We're adults. You know, there is a scissors in this room.
Yeah, I also have a knife on my belt, but I like the raw power of my hands.
Okay.
Why do you think it's green over here?
Yeah, that... don't know. Literally have no idea. Well, I said it earlier. Why is it green on the inside? It's the packaging. Don't know why.
So yeah, mattress.
Yay.
Mattress. So I hear that these things expand when you take them out. So let's see how badly we mess ourselves up. This looks more like a rug.